English, Grammar, Grade 4, LP 10, A, B, Questions and Negatives in the Continuous Tenses by teacher Shikha. Keywords: present, past, future continuous, negative. Student will be able to form questions and negatives in the present, past and future continuous tenses. To create a negative statement with the present continuous, add not after the auxiliary to be. The form is subject plus be plus not plus verb. Questions, negative questions. Isn't he working today? Working continuous. Why isn't he working today? Aren't you working today? Why aren't you working today? So there is a continuous tense. The continuation of the statement is there. Please notice. Continuous, negative and questions. In the present continuous tense, negative forms are made using not, and question forms are made by changing the word order of the sentence. Let's see few examples. Forming a negative. Negatives in the present continuous are formed by adding not or n, t after the word be. Okay, children, please let's follow the chart and try to focus on given topic. So there is a first column which has positive sentence, second column which has negative sentence, and contracted negative is the third column. I am eating, positive. I am not eating, negative sentence. So you can use it with apostrophe, comma, I am not eating. Okay, children? Let's quickly read all the given examples. You are working, you are not working. The continuation is going on. The whoever is working or not working. So continuous moving is going on. He is driving, he is not driving. Okay. So we are focusing on the verb part, on the ing word, which shows us it is a continuous tense, whether it is in positive form or negative form. She is teaching, she is not teaching, she isn't teaching. It is raining, it is not raining, it isn't raining. We are reading, we are not reading, we aren't reading. They are writing, they are not writing, they aren't writing. So children, please read this chart again and again to understand. Let's focus on the other part of the lesson, that is forming a question. Yes, no. Questions are created by moving the word be to the beginning of the sentence. WH questions. You know, children, what are WH questions? We have done this in previous classes as well. Who, what, when, where. Questions, WH questions are formed by moving the verb be and then adding the WH word. So, dear children, now I am sharing a question reference chart. Please be attentive and read with me. The statement is, I am eating. Yes, no question. That is, am I eating? WH questions. What am I eating? Okay, children, we will follow this chart and try to read and understand. You are crying. Are you crying? Why are you crying? He is going. Is he going? Where is he going? She is arriving. Is she arriving? When is she arriving? Are you noticing, children? I am using all WH words to make question. It is sleeping. Is it sleeping? Why is it sleeping? We are leaving. Are we leaving? When are we leaving? They are fighting. Are they fighting? Why are they fighting? Children, please read this question chart. Again, you will understand it nicely. Only the thing you have to focus is that questions and answer in a negative using the continuous tense. How to frame that, how it will be easy. With examples, read again and again with the help of that chart and try to use these statements in your day-to-day life, in your day-to-day conversation. It will be very easy to understand. The simple rule to follow is while studying tenses, we use the continuous tense when something is happening, was happening, or will be happening. Now, here we are focusing on negative and question forming. Hope this lesson, this video will help you to understand this nicely. Solve your grammar guide worksheet answers. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye. Thank you. Take care.